What's up everybody, Chad here for yet another Taco Tuesday, and today I'm just going to be telling you all who the winner of the giveaway for our bed stiffeners are. So again, if you did not see that video, definitely check it out. It is a few videos back and I'll even link it in the description below. But I did an install on some bed stiffeners from Cali Raised LEDs right here in the bed of my truck. Really super simple, easy install, and a really good quality product from Cali Raised. So we are doing a giveaway on those, and we had given all the information on that at the very end of that video, and we made sure that in the title that you knew that we were doing a pretty decent sized giveaway, because these are normally right around $100 for them from Cali Raised, and we're just giving them to you for free. So without further ado, I want to explain how this is going to work. So I have gone through the comments, and as of 4:30 p.m. on Tuesday, there are 67 comments on that video. I went through and there were several comments that were on those comments, so I'm not going to count those. It is just on the initial comment. So when I counted through all of those, there were 55 total. So what I'm going to do is ask Siri on my iPhone to pick a random number between 1 and 55, and then from there we will go through and see if that comment is one that falls under the criteria that I had asked for. So that is kind of telling about your vehicle, the things that you've done to it, and kind of thoughts and plans. That wasn't necessarily something that you needed to do, but cool all the same, because the whole purpose was to kind of get to know some of you subscribers better. So I'm going to go ahead and ask Siri and see exactly what number that we do get. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 55.
Random number between 1 and 55 is 52.
So, if you can see that, 52 is the number. So, after going through the comments now and seeing exactly which one that is, Matt Brown is the winner of the bed stiffeners. So, going through, I'm going to go ahead and read the comment and let you all know about his Tacoma. He says, "Hey, I have a 2010 Tacoma that I just made a bed rack for and could really use a set of these. I've gotten the Cali Raised fog light kit and ditch lights set up on my truck. I have a 2.5-inch Bilstein lift and just ordered the Cali Raised sliders about 1 hour ago, and this was 2 weeks ago, so maybe he has those sliders by now. I recently made my own bedrock for a rooftop tent. Great install." So, congratulations, Matt Brown. So if you are watching this video, please do get in contact with us, and if you don't within a certain amount of time, we will get in contact with you so we can get some information from you, so we can send you these bed stiffeners from Cali Raised LED. So congratulations again, and if you guys didn't win this time, we are going to be doing more giveaways in the future, whether it be shirts from the channel, little bits and pieces for your truck, just as things kind of come into our inventory and we're like, hey, let's do a bit of a giveaway, something for the subscribers every once in a while. We do appreciate all the things that you guys do for us, liking the videos, watching them, of course, and subscribing to the channel. It's very helpful. We're able to do these types of things. And also a huge thanks to Cali Raised LED for sending us those bed stiffeners, not only for my truck, but so we can give them away to Matt Brown, of course. So thank you all very much for watching. Have a fantastic week, everybody, and I'll catch you next time.